Thank you so much, Gursimam, for joining us. We also have some more breaking news coming in, viewers. This is a very big revelation that has been made by one of the Pakistani nationals who was in India. In fact, he says that he was in India for 17 years. And not just that, he had an Aadhaar card. Not just that, he had a voter ID card as well. You heard that right, viewers. It's a shocking revelation by Pakistani national from Rawalpindi. He's been deported, what I understand. His name is Osama. He was living in India for 17 years, had a ration card, Aadhaar card, and even casted vote. He is now being kicked out. How did a Pakistani national get Aadhaar card, ration card, and was voting for all these years? He was voting to choose the governments in India. This Pakistani national, listen in to him, viewers.
हल निकालें, कुछ टाइम की मोहलत दे दें। अब जो फैमिलीज यहाँ पे पिछले 20-30 सालों से रह रही हैं, हमने वोट भी कास्ट किया, हमारे हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्स यहाँ के बने, आधार कार्ड है, इलेक्शन कार्ड है, राशन कार्ड है, हमारा डोमिसाइल है मेरी यहाँ की, बाकी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स मेरे बने। अब मैं यहाँ से कहाँ जाऊँगा? मेरा 10th भी यहाँ से हुआ है, 12th भी मेरा यहाँ से हुआ है, मेरा बैचलर चल रहा है अभी। कुछ हल निकालें, कुछ टाइम की मोहलत दे दें। अब जो फैमिलीज यहाँ पे पिछले 20-30 सालों से रह रही हैं, हमने वोट भी कास्ट किया, हमारे हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्स यहाँ के बने, आधार कार्ड है, इलेक्शन कार्ड है, राशन कार्ड है, हमारा डोमिसाइल है मेरी यहाँ की, बाकी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स मेरे बने। अब मैं यहाँ से कहाँ जाऊँगा? मेरा 10th भी यहाँ से हुआ है, 12th भी मेरा यहाँ से हुआ है, मेरा बैचलर चल रहा है अभी।
Arawat, tell us more details about this man, the fact that Pakistani nationals, all of them have been thrown out. They have been booted out from the country after this Pahalgam terror attack. And this is a very, very shocking, revelation. It really raises many questions on the security situation there. Because, how come he have Aadhaar card and a voter ID card and a ration card, and he has also said that he has voted?
People who were exfiltrated to this side in the 90s and 2018, and we have been told by the sources that all the individuals have Aadhaar card and the voter ID, and they were living here, and also some of them have studied here also in the Jammu and Kashmir. But this time we have seen that the administration has told them for deport from Jammu and Kashmir from the Wagah border. But we have seen that the individuals who are not carrying the passport which was issued by the Pakistan, some of them have also the voter IDs. Also, they have been also told to wait. The final direction will come in the sometime, Rakshita.
Right, Sir Arawat, thanks so much for joining us. In fact, Arawat, this really raises many questions as far as how did he obtain these, these voter ID cards, and how was it? Because this is indeed a matter of investigation, and it raises many questions as to how people from Pakistan have been, in fact, being part of the Indian system, if you can say that. And it's very unfortunate that after the Pahalgam terror attack, these revelations are being made, if at all true.
Yes, absolutely, Rishad. We need to understand that things. Actually, we have seen the individuals from the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir has come to Jammu Kashmir through the Nepal border, where the policy was given by the government in the 2017 that through the rehabilitation policy, they were brought to Jammu and Kashmir earlier. The individuals who got married in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, then after the local government in the Jammu and Kashmir have told them to report back to Jammu Kashmir if they want under the rehabilitation policy. Then after we have seen some of the individuals have studied here. Also, they have got the ration card and also the Aadhaar and voter ID card. It indicates that some of them have been also deported to Pakistan through the Wagah border, but some of the individuals who are not having as of now any proof document that is from the Pakistan, and the final confirmation related to these individuals will be given in some time. Yes.
Right, Arawat, thank you so much for joining us with those details. We also have